Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS structure module, in which today we will discuss about how to change specifications of beams and columns. So you can easily change specification by selecting a beam. Okay, so I am selecting this beam. I can go to modify sections specification, and you can easily change the specification of this beam. So let us say I am applying to this. Yeah, so this can be changed easily, but the problem comes when you want to change number of beams at a time. Okay, so for that what you can do is lists. So I am going for a list. Now remember, if you want to change any multiple entities in AVEVA PDMS, you always have only one option, that is called lists. Okay, or else there will be some option like identify, but most of the time there will be list option. So there is no list added in this list, so I am just creating a list. You can go to add, create a list, give name structure underscore 01, and your list will be added. Now for this list I want to add elements, so I can go to identified, or I can add current element, first element. I will just go to identify, click on the elements which you want to add. Let us say I want to add these 6 elements and say escape. After that all the 6 elements will be added in my list, and then you can save that list. Okay, just save that list and dismiss. Then you can just select that list from the current list option, and then you can go to modify sections specification. Sorry, you can go to modify section specification, just select the structure. Yeah, after selecting a section you can go to list. Sometimes you will get the error. You have to just go to list, save the work. Yeah, I haven't saved the work, so that list is not stored, so I will just save that work, so my list is stored, and then I can switch to list. Yeah, so now my list is added. So don't forget to save your work. Once you create a new list, always click on save work. That will update the database, and then you can go to list. Then I can go to say British Standard. I want this to be say universal rectangular hollow section, and then you can change sections to, let us say, 150. I'm changing it to 150. And justification top of steel, I want innate to be justification, and I can say apply, dismiss, and you can check whether all sections are changed or not. So this is changed, this is changed, this is changed. Yeah, there will be error because of the connections, because previously section was different, so you have to edit those connections by going to connect and position and all those options. But definitely you can change number of sections in one go using the list option. Okay, so always use these list options. Whenever you want to delete something, you can make a list of it. If you want to edit multiple options or multiple components at a time, you can always go with this list option. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want to discuss in this video. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and check all the playlists which are available on my channel for AVEVA PDMS. Thank you for joining.